Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to draw a simple crab. It's getting to be summertime and maybe you're eventually gonna go on a vacation and go to the beach. So I thought a crab would be a fun thing to learn how to draw. So we're gonna start with a circle in the middle of our paper. Just like that. And coming off of this circle, we're gonna do kind of curvy triangles to get that shape of a crab's body. Kind of looks as if you're drawing an eyeball with that big pupil in the center. So it's almost like we drew an eyeball. If you just want to draw an eyeball, then draw an eyeball. We're gonna be making it into a crab. And then our eyes are gonna be up at the top. So we're gonna draw two small circles for those eyes. Now this is going to be more of a cartoony crab, so an anatomy really isn't being taken into account because some crabs, their eyes kind of go all the way up here, and if you want to, you can make little lines up and then do eyeballs on the top, because some crabs have their eyes like that. Some crabs, their eyes would be like down here. We're gonna make him a little cartoony. Okay, so there's our two eyeballs. You can fill in this part to remember it's the pupil of the eyeball. And then from here, we're gonna draw two ovals for his claws. We're gonna make one kind of going over, curving in front of him, and then one like hanging down on this side. So we're gonna do a large oval here. We'll make that into a claw in a second. And then for his one hanging down, then we'll do an oval right here. And you can go ahead and erase this circle, the very first circle, those little lines on the sides, since we got our main shape figured out. And now to make this claw, we're gonna follow this down and then make a point like that. So I just did a point and curved in to that oval. And then you can kind of make it look sharper here if you want to go over your oval again. So there's his front claw. And then for this one hanging down, I'm going to do the same thing. Follow our oval, do a point, and then go in, and then you kind of round it off there. And then you can also add like a little arm onto it. Same with here, it would just curve down like this to add his little arm. And then for his feet, it's going to be some sharp curves, kind of little coming off like that, and you just do that all the way on the outside bottom part of his body. Like that. And then because his claw is in front, you would kind of do his front leg right there, and then his claw would cover part of it. And then like this, and then one more like that. And we can give our crab whatever face we want. I'm gonna give him kind of a grumpy face. Right now he looks scared. But I'm gonna add little cartoony eyebrows. There, he's a crabby crab. Now we can go through and erase some of these lines to make it look even nicer. Go back over this part. Make sure his body stands out. And there you go. There's a cute little grumpy crab. If you wanted to make him grumpy, you can give him any kind of expression that you want. He could be a happy crab. You could do more of a smile or a super happy crab. And you could do one of these where his tongue is kind of showing instead of this kind of M shape to make him grumpy. So just have fun drawing your crabs, and maybe let me know if there's anything else you'd like to learn to draw, and like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more tutorial type videos, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.